Ambler Hanlon House circa 1870, built in the Italianate style. Benjamin Mason Ambler, who lived from 1850 to 1935, moved to Parkersburg from his native Winchester, Virginia in 1874. He had studied law at the University of Virginia and went into practice with Wellington Van Winkle in the town's leading law firm, Van Winkle and Ambler. He married Nanny Baker of Winchester in 1875, and in later years their son, Mason G. Ambler, also practiced law in Parkersburg. Benjamin Ambler was a trustee of Trinity Episcopal Church and served as city attorney from 1877 to 1889. The Amblers acquired this property in 1875. When Ambler died in 1935, his widow remained in the house. Then it descended to their daughter, Catherine Ambler, widow of Joseph Hanlon Sr., who by then was remarried to Harold D. Crawford. Mrs. Crawford left the house to her son and daughter, who sold it to the present owners. The house has one of the grandest interiors in the historic district. The entry foyer contains a full 180-degree spiral staircase with a huge window that lights the foyer. The living room, to the right of the entry, displays a sculptured Italian marble fireplace mantel and floor-to-ceiling windows that are characteristic of grander Italianate-style houses. The smoking room behind it, paneled in natural pine, provides a relaxing atmosphere for after-dinner conversation. Behind it is the music room, and beyond that, a comfortable den. Returning along the west side of the house is a modern eat-in kitchen, and behind the kitchen and dining room is a butler's pantry. On the second floor, a garden mural covers the hall wall and provides a picturesque pathway to the 5 bedrooms. The present owners have extensively redecorated the interior for gracious entertaining.